In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Capital One Auto Finance application. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and download and install the Capital One Auto Finance app and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and view your overview and then click on the Make a Payment tab. Simply go ahead and select the account, or you can simply go ahead and see the current balance, payment amount. You can simply go ahead and enter, and then the date you want to send, you can simply go ahead and choose as well. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and select your payment history. That is where you can see all the history of the payments you've made before. You can also go ahead and check your account details like your loan number, the vehicle that you have taken loan for, interest rate, vehicle info, and many more. You can also go ahead and stay updated with important alerts, reminders, and account messages, and even your documents. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.